This is a 4-minute race. All right, 4-minute race. Everybody's on the horn in 5.
Couple of tenths off their 21.5 brothers.
21.5?
Yeah, they're doing about 4 4s.
That's crazy. What makes them so fast in the opinion? Hearing?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, they're running rubber tire too.
3 minutes left.
All right, 3 to go, 3 to go. I got Reed leading this one. Kevin running second. Wayne is third.
What?
2 minutes left.
All right, 2 to go, 2 to go here. It is Reed leading this one. Kevin running second. Now here it is. They are back and forth, Kevin and Reed. There we go. Side by side through the back stretch. There we go, there we go. Looks like Kevin's going to hold it. Oh, Reed sneaks in there. Oh, they touch and split. Time to start over. Right now, I got Reed leading this one. Kevin running second. Wayne is third. Couple laps back, but enjoying the view. Here comes Kevin again. Oh, it bounces off the rail. Kevin's made up a lot of time. Sneaks in there side by side through the backstretch. Side by side through 4. Side by side through 1 and 2. Oh, Kevin gets in there and bumps Reed wide. Oh! Reed comes up on the side. This ain't over with 30 seconds. And this is going to be a tight race here. Right now, Kevin is my leader. Reed is running second. Wayne is third. All right. Kevin leading this one. Kevin's kind of pulling away here a little bit. There's Wayne getting in the middle there, letting them by. This will be the race. Kevin, Reed, Wayne, you are done. Kevin, 52.401. Reed ran a 52.402. Wayne, a 49.403. Good job, guys.